Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okersinski with your Week 8 screencast video. As I say in my announcement here, I hope everybody had a restful spring break. As we're moving into Week 8, we're on the backside of the course. We have about a little over 6 weeks left in the semester. So please be aware if you are thinking about revising or making up some additional work that might have been missed earlier on, please contact me as we get closer toward the end of the semester. I will be less likely to allow any revisions or additions just for final grading purposes. So this week we're beginning our Unit 3, our proposal unit, and I'll cover that in a minute. You want to make sure that you familiarize yourself with the course unit fully. Please watch and listen, even take notes with this screencast video because our unit is a little bit more detailed, a little bit more important that all of the components be addressed here. All right. So please take the time to look over the course objectives in for English 1101 in this particular unit. I think the largest portion of the course objectives will be met through this assignment. Now I have uploaded here 3 links to various videos for using and citing sources, understanding plagiarism, and the MLA style 8th edition. All of these links should work. If they do not work, please contact me and I will try to fix them as quickly as possible. I like to scroll down to the instructions for our essay assignment in this unit. This unit, you are writing a proposal. It is a proposal argument, and the topic is a problem you have experienced so far in attending community college or a problem about higher education as a whole. So your inquiry question is, what is the problem and what should be done about it? So your task is to write a proposal essay by integrating outside sources to help solve a problem you care about in higher education. You can use your personal experiences as academic evidence to support your proposal argument. Make sure your proposal includes some visuals to dramatize your problem and illustrate a solution. So a proposal argument is basically the problem solution format. You're going to demonstrate the seriousness of a problem and then move on to highlight or illustrate a solution that would solve your problem. All right. So we're going to have address a problem that is of consequence and manageable scale, including the problem's cause and effects. You want to determine those because it'll help you create and formulate a solution. Your essay must provide evidence for the seriousness of the problem and for ways to solve it and justify the solution over others. So I am looking for evidence to support the seriousness of the problem and also the viability of the solution. So you can draw on your experience, but also use outside sources. So you have to have 3 outside sources of information. The proposal should be appropriate both in form and content, to purpose and audience. And the audience for this particular assignment is fellow college students. Your proposal should be balanced, accurate, and avoid sweeping generalizations or inaccurate assertions. Okay, typical with our assignment so far, the proposal is a persuasive argument. Its success relies on avoiding logical fallacies and developing solutions. So I say, as our essays have been formatted so far, essay 3 is going to be the same length, 1,000 to 1,200 words, formatted according to MLA guidelines as stated in the syllabus. So along with this, you need a works cited page for your 3 sources. You can use more, but the minimum is 3. So within the proposal unit, I offer you a bunch of resources. As I mentioned earlier, we're looking at 3 videos to help you with using and citing sources, understanding plagiarism, and the MLA 8th edition. Also, I have the readings for this particular unit. I've got 2 of them uploaded as a PDF. The main ones would be Murray and Unger's discussion. And then for your readings, your selections, I have a bunch of links here that will take you to some outside readings to help vary the topics. Not only do I have another article by Charles Murray, we're talking about college being worth the price of admission. about English majors, also career opportunities and what college can do for career. Also, there's another article about what students want from colleges today. So, a growing issue in college has been stress and anxiety, and what schools are doing to address those particular issues. So your choice, you'll see in the discussion board where you can have your selection, maybe shape your discussion board post to what's important to you, an issue that's important to you. All right. So I have all of the links there. Also, you should try to use the library resources to help you locate some of the evidence for your proposal essay. Here is a video to and a link to Jason Ertz demonstrates how to use the library. He is our English librarian at COD. It's rather long. That's why you have the kind of sections here where you can pick and choose what you want to listen to. Number one, it is over 38 minutes. However, you might be able to find some key parts and move along in a much quicker fashion. All right. Also, and I'll cover this in a future screencast, but you want to read the basic principles of citation about introducing sources, showing starting and ending points, and the all too critical cross-referencing of sources. All the way down at the bottom of the unit, you will see the first draft upload and the final essay upload. Also, there is a proposal example, just an example here in Blackboard. So I urge everyone to take some time, spend some time looking through this particular unit. This, once again, much like the summary essay, is a very difficult essay to write. I'll be posting maybe a PowerPoint or another screencast later in the unit to discuss the organizational outline of the proposal essay. If you have any questions, please let me know. I think the priority right now is to work through the readings and start developing a topic for the proposal essay.